This is the water jacket. Here are a couple of parts. This is connecting compressed air, up to 3 kilograms. And then this is the high-pressure pipe. There's a valve here. It's fulfilling the water jacket with water and letting the air out. This is the unloading pipe. This is the water filler pipe, fulfilling the sink. Then there is a heading scale on top of the equipment. Then look here. This is an oil-free, high-pressure outlet. High-pressure outlet 1, high-pressure outlet 2. And then this is the unloading port. This is the water filler hose for the water jacket. This is the driven air port, connected to compressed air. This is the sealing air hose for the water jacket, water inlet pipe. And this is the water outlet of the mirroring cup. There is an electronic scale here. Connect the pipes when you receive the equipment. Then we need to tear and reset the electronic scale to 0. Look at the equipment's operating panel. These 2 gauges are set. This is an oil-free pressure gauge. This is a pressure protection gauge. And here is the same pressure gauge. And this is a precision pressure gauge, used for calibration. Then there are 2 corresponding valves here. Calibrate valve 1. Calibrate valve 2. Normally the 2 valves are closed. This is the driven air gauge. This is the water jacket sealing pressure gauge. These are unloading valves. And then this is the selector switch. Pump 1. Pump 2. Emergency stop switch, power switch. This is the switch for the water jacket seal. Now let's look at the interface. There are a few parameters to set up before testing. Water replenish value, water drainage value, pressure drop, deformation rate, nominal pressure, test pressure, nominal pressure holding time, unloading delay time, clamping time. You need to set the nominal pressure and the nominal volume. This is setting the weight of empty bottles, full bottle weight, skin off. After setting the parameters, you can start testing. First, press the water jacket sealing switch. Seal the water jacket. Open the valve on the water jacket. Start filling the water jacket with water after opening the valve. The exhaust valve can be closed after continuously discharging water without air bubbles. Close the valve. Then the measuring cup is filled with water. This shows the amount of water in the measuring cup. Filling up with water will automatically pause. Wait for this value to stabilize before you do the test. Start the experiment. Start pressurizing. Start holding pressure after 15 MPa. Continue to pressurize to 22.5 MPa. Continue to hold pressure for 120 seconds. Automatic pressure relief. Observe the amount of deformation. This is the test results. The test curve is passable. The data are displayed here. Go back to the interface to close the alarm. The actual volume of the measuring cup is shown here. Total deformation, residual deformation. The residual deformation divided by total deformation is the deformation rate. After completing the experiment, this button needs to be turned off. And this button needs to be turned off as well. The entire experiment is completed.